Okay, you gotta button it up.
Jet, come.
Too tight.
Too tight? I cut really good. Okay.
Wet all hair.
What are? Okay.
And part where you
Wet
usually
all
part.
hair.
Brush hair so it's nice and smooth.
Should I do it? No worries. Actually, I'm just okay.
Get out of here. You get my face.
Okay, get over here. That's fine. Okay, cut right. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, wait. Oh, no.
Jet.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Okay, Jet, be super careful with
Okay,
the
so
scissors.
here
Jet,
we
do you know how to use scissors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woohoo! Good job, Jet.
Let's see.
Well, I can't make sense. Okay, Jet. Give him that much. Cut. You don't have to show her. Open. Work with me. Cut. Shut. Oh yeah, I just farted. That big. Cut. Okay. Good job.
Did he cut it?
Yep. Okay, no. Oh, shit. I cut it because we needed to take off a lot.
This part makes me more nervous than you think. This is where Dad always screws up.
Cut.
How is it? Let's see.
Actually. So put your thumb in this, thumb in this one, finger up there, through that and that. Okay. I can work with you. Okay? You're too hard to work with. Open. We have to cut. Okay.